Hello there, let me show you how you can hide photos and videos on Samsung Galaxy A36. For that, we need to go in Gallery first and tap on Albums. So right now you cannot hide those default albums, therefore we need to create our custom new album. For that, tap on the plus right here, tap Album, and now just name it. Tap Create, and here you need to select items which you want to see in this album. For example, let me just select this one item, and yep, this one as well. Tap Done, and if you decide to move, then they will be removed from the default album and you'll see them in your new album. But if you decide to delete that album, these photos will be deleted as well. So I suggest you to copy those photos. And now we can see them right here. To hide, tap on three dots, choose Hide Albums, and toggle on the switch near the created album, go back, and you will see that now this album is hidden. To unhide or simply view its content, all you have to do is to tap on three dots again, tap Hide Albums, and tap right here to toggle off the switch. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.